Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to add a PDF to an AWeber landing page. It's really simple and takes just a few minutes. First, log into your AWeber account. From your dashboard, click on Pages and Forms. Here, you can either edit an existing landing page or create a new one. For this example, let's edit an existing page, so click the pencil icon next to it. Once you're inside the drag-and-drop editor, type the text where you want your PDF link to appear. You can write something like, "Click here to download your free guide." Highlight that text and prepare to turn it into a clickable link. Now, since AWeber doesn't directly host PDF files, you'll need to use a file hosting service like Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, click the plus icon, and upload your PDF file. Once it's uploaded, click the three dots next to your file, select Share, and change the setting from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Then copy the link. Go back to AWeber, select the text you highlighted, click the link icon, and paste the PDF link. Click Save, and your PDF is now attached to your landing page. Finally, make sure to save all your changes and preview your landing page to ensure everything looks and works perfectly. That's it! You've successfully added a downloadable PDF to your AWeber landing page. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you create a more engaging and professional landing page.